Let's make one of my favorite pasta, and I'm going to use tagliatelle with some vegetables such as yellow pepper, a bit of red onion, garlic. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to get all my vegetables prepped. So I'm using some yellow pepper and some red. I'm going to use quarter of an onion. This is going to be quick and easy and also tasty. I'm going to use a cloves of garlic. To help give it a bit of body, because I'm not going to use a sauce base. I'm going to use some plum tomatoes. All I'm going to do is cut these in half. I'm going to add in this some pickled pepper. So this is a pickled pepper. So in here I have some prawns, and in this bowl I have some tagliatelle. So with the prawns, I'm just gonna lightly season it. I'm gonna put some sea salt over, a bit of black pepper. So here I have my pan on. I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil. And I'm going to bring the pan up to temperature. So the oil is warm enough. So I'm just going to put the garnish in. Put all your chopped vegetable in except the tomato. This time I'm going to season it also. So I have some pepper on that, and I'm going to go in with some all-purpose season. At this point I'm going to turn the flame up. So now I'm going to add my tomato in and the chopped pepper. You're going to cook this until all the vegetable is a little bit soft. But you're not going to add a sauce to this. I'm not going to add a sauce base to this. At this point, I'm going to add some dry oregano. You can use fresh if you have it, or dried. As you can see, the tomato getting soft. As soon as all these vegetables get a bit soft, what's going to happen? It's going to form like a paste like. Within a minute or so, I'm going to add the prawn to it. At this point, I'm going to add the prawns in. The reason why I add it at this point, I don't want them to overcook. So I tried it, it need a little bit more seasoning, so I'm just going to go in with some sea salt. That's some coarse sea salt I'm having for this. So now I'm going to add the pasta in. I'm just going to gently fold it in. At this point I'm using 2 forks just to fold it in. It's personal preference. If you want, you can add tomato sauce, or you want to make a bechamel, whatever you have, but I just choose to do it this way. So I'm going to increase the gas a little bit. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go in with a bit of Parmesan cheese over it. Just give it a bit of toss. So now it's ready. Now it's time to plate your dish. So now, plate is down. It's a lovely dish. You can cook special occasion or in the evening just to cheer you up. There you go, guys. So with this, I'm going to add a little bit more Parmesan.